Hello friends, day 14 and I had a lovely big breakfast at the B&B. Thank you, Sheila. That set me up for the day and I didn't stop much until I'd climbed all the way up Bicknoller Hill onto the Quantocks. Many feet of climb this morning, but the Quantocks are fantastic. I love them. And then it was all the way along the top, down the other side towards Bridgwater. And I've camped tonight in a small area, not that far, probably 2 or 3 miles from Bridgwater. This is my campsite tonight, just off the footpath, which is the other side of that hedge. So let's have a look at the Quantocks.